Look at him. Hey, man.
What's up, baby?
Man, what's the deal, man? Nothing much. Me, Sook, Mike, Miss Thundercock, everybody on here. We watching the
RC race.
Yeah, you know about that?
Man, I just happened to drive out. I had to come get a whole bunch of parts for my little street car I'm putting together.
Oh, you putting something else together again? Well, you just don't stop.
No, I mean, I still got the race car, but I had all these extra parts.
Oh yeah, and they ain't selling good, right?
And I had an 85. I got an 85 little hatch. That's straight.
Oh yeah, and you finna gonna put it up together?
I got
Hey, they got some new summer people in here.
Yeah, they do. New motor, new trans. I've got to go pick up transmission right now.
Oh yeah.
Motor.
You went back for it again? Yeah, that's all you had.
That's
all
all
you. Yeah, you had all them 4 parts.
Yeah, so it's going in a little 85 hatch, man. It's just street car.
Okay, is it gonna be for sale or you gonna drive?
I think I'm gonna waffle it out.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna do it and waffle it out. I don't need it. I mean, I got more shit right
Yeah.
now that I'm gonna play with.
That's why you didn't put this together. Okay.
Yeah, I just need to get rid of, man. You know, because I bought the parts to put it together, most of the stuff. So, boy, you all right?
Straight,
you all right?
Good, man. About yourself? Oh, man, I can't tank. Everything all right?
I'm good.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so I had all the stuff put together.
Yeah.
Pretty much. So I just went on. I originally sold the motor. Cat never picked it up, so I said, shit, I'm just
Put it on in
I'm
there.
gonna finish it off.
Okay. You already got your converter, headers, all that?
I got all that shit.
Okay.
It's out. It's
So
out.
what, this year or next year?
Shit, this 2 weeks.
Okay. Okay.
I got the final pieces the day for the fuel system. I mean, you know, to hook all that shit up. I'm gonna probably drop the motor in tomorrow.
Okay. Well, hey, I'm gonna be looking for you in 3 weeks. I'm gonna give you an extra week for back order. All right, man. You have a good one. Hey, I just got here and had a 10-minute wait. I got all the a charger, I think. More heads. Alrighty, guys. We're back again. Oh my God, back at it again. Makes sense. No signal in that store. I knew it wasn't. Let me get out of here, y'all. Let's get out of here. Oh, it would drop soon as I go. I knew it would. I was thinking that it might do that. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I thought about that. And let me plug him back up. Look out, who in here? Hey, what's up with it? I know so many people now. Let me plug the phone back up, y'all. Crooked, bro. Nah, I really ain't got crooked, y'all. I just still really ain't. How you doing, miss? I need to get a magazine. What's that? Both. This the regular one. This Christmas got all the deals in it, don't it? Yeah, I need the one with all the deals in it. Alright.
So right there where it says
Let me see now. I need the one with all. Look, they got the Christmas. Alright, y'all. They probably getting ready to get started. Let's get on down here. Bojangles back with more commandments. Hey, Team Thundercock, is everything working appropriately now? This the time for it to count. Everybody walking up. I feel like I'm on time. Okay. Dang, it done dropped down to 50. I'm the one that wish he go there with me. I'm MJ with my shot 23. 23. Oh yeah, I feel good now, refreshed. Said you need some real, I got some. Stressing about your bill, ain't about nothing. I know I can be a light, I wanna shine with you. 'Cause all you need is me. Alright y'all, they still up here. Getting ready. I can see it coming down on that one way. They got the stages, lights going on. Dragtrack.com. Man. Chirp, chirp. Look like they almost got all the spots picked for the races. I know that they worth. Look at this police right here, man. 434 dispatch. We have a report. How you doing, mister? I get inside, inside, inside. She said she like it inside.
002. Somebody got 401. Yeah. Is that a .55?
I always pull one and Okeechobee, so.
Gucci Gun say the track looking sticky, y'all.
Track is sticky.
Track is sticky.
I got .6. Does that count as less than one?
I was 0.55.
She said she like it inside, inside. Attention in the pit. You going to the mall racing? I probably do, man. I already forgot what the date was. All that type of hype. What day was that again, man? So I can make sure it don't clash on another one of these days.